Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, for those who are new here. Today I want to share something pretty special, my experience buying my first BMW. And no, this isn't a flex video, I'm just excited to talk about a car I really enjoy. A few months ago I picked up this brand new BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe. Before this, I've owned cars from brands like Honda, Mazda, Audi and Subaru. All great in their own way, but this BMW definitely feels like a step up. I was actually debating between this one and the BMW Series 1. Both have the same engine, a 3-cylinder 1.5 turbo engine. And I know a lot of people aren't fans of that, also of a front-wheel drive. There are a lot of people that didn't like it too much. But after test driving both, this one just had the look and feel I was going for. It feels solid, responsive, and honestly, fun. One of the first things I love about this car is the color. I really wanted the Nardo Grey, but it wasn't in stock. So I went with this mineral white. And honestly, I'm really happy with this color. It opens up a lot of options for future upgrades. Then there's the frameless windows. Just a small detail, but it gives it such a sleek feel. The lighting, both inside and outside, it's another highlight. At night, this car looks incredible. And finally, the acceleration. For a 3-cylinder car, this thing is surprisingly responsive, super smooth when you push it. But guys, not all is perfect. The biggest downside for me is the interior space. This is probably one of the smallest cars I've owned with the Mazda 3 hatchback. Another thing is how much you feel the road. Every bump, every crack, I always feel it in this car. I've read a lot about how that's due to the run flat tires and the stiff suspension. It's not a deal breaker, but definitely something to keep in mind. So it's been a few months with the 218i, and today I'm actually heading back to the BMW dealership. And now I would bring you along and show you some of the new models they have in stock. Let's dive into it. Okay guys, it has been a few months since I get my car. So right now it's time to give its first maintenance. We are heading to the BMW store, and then I will show you some of the models that they have there in the store. Hope they have the BMW X2, the new one, the X1, all the Series X, also some M series, and hope you like it. We're finally here, so let's begin with all the documents part. Okay guys, the first car we are going to look at is the BMW Series 2, the new 2025 model, and this is the color I was initially going to choose for the car I currently have, but it wasn't in stock. Let's see what they have here. Oh my god. As you can see, the main screen is attached to the car main screen, making it look like a unified console. There are many details in this car that make it look super premium. The only one thing I personally don't like is the lack of the gear shift, which they've replaced with this, with this thing, I don't know how can I call it, I don't know the name. As you can see, the seats are an M Performance design. It looks very nice with this light of the M logo. The finish is on Alcantara and leather, and it looks very nice, very great. Now we are looking at the BMW Series 1. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I was deciding between the Series 1 and the Series 2. Not specifically this model, since this is the M1, more specifically the M135. This car here has Harman Kardon speakers, red leather seats with this M-Performance design. And also this car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.8 seconds. This is all thanks to the fact that it has a 2.0 V-twin turbo engine with 300 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. As you can see, the interior is the same as the Series 2. And also the quality of the materials make it look super premium. And now we are seeing the BMW X1, and I think it looks better than the X2. But yeah, what do you guys think? It has a big moonroof. So yeah, this car is amazing. The X1 is definitely one of my favorite ones. Yeah, it has this soft roof in black finish, and also, as I mentioned before, the seats are incredible. The color are brown. I don't know if you can see it, but they are brown. Maybe I can customize my own seats, the interior of the car. But yeah, this X1 looks incredible, very spacious, more than the X2, and yeah, I like it a lot. Also here we have the BMW iX2. This one in particular is the electrified model. We can also select between the diesel and the gasoline engine. I think it has a 1.5 engine, and it looks great, but the only downside of this car is the color. Also, you can select another one if you want it. We have also wireless charging here in this part, and yeah, it looks great. I think I prefer the X1 more than this one, because I don't know, this looks more like a crossover and the X1 looks more like an SUV. So yeah, I think that. Now here is the chart where you can customize your own BMW as you want. This is for the Model X, for the Series 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, all the models. The leather that I was talking to you was this color. I love it, this color. Also these ones that are barely the same. Also this one is very good. I like it a lot, but we have to keep it clean always. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god, look, this one. It's the same of the X1 that we previously saw. Guys, right now we are inside of the car, and I'm going to make a quick tour of the car, of the inside and the exterior, and also I'm going to show you what mod I make here in this car. Also, it's a little bit dirty, this car, so in a few minutes we are going to clean it up, so stay tuned. Okay, let's see. The first mod we made here inside of the car is this crystal knob, I think it's the name. Crystal knob. Here's the charging cable. This crystal knob, I changed it for the OG one, and I think this looks super nice, super clean. I love it. I love this type of finish. Also this wheel, I changed it. Also, one of the biggest problem here in this car was the lack of space, so I tried to make more space here by putting here a coin holder for to put all the coins, because here in my country a lot of people are asking for tips or something like that, so I put that here. Okay, what other mods I made inside here? There are not too much mods here inside, but yeah, the lights in the night looks very great, very nice. I'm going to come back in the night and I will show you how it looks. And also right here I have I have space to put my glasses like you see here, and yeah, it's basically that's it. Also here I put PPF right down here in the piano black, because you know what type of material, what kind of material is the piano black. You can scratch very easy, but yeah, I put it PPF here. I have some videos. I'm going to put it right here. I put by myself. It was a little bit heavy, that work, but yeah, I put it very nice. I think it looks good, and also I'm not worried of scratching this material, because we are always touching that screen and there are always fingerprints, so I put it that PPF there, and this PPF is amazing because it don't leave our fingerprints in the screen, you know. But yeah, it looks great, and it's very good. And now I'm going to show you guys some parts of the exterior of the car right now. What mods I made here outside. Let's begin with this thing over here. If you can see, I put it the calipers of the brakes in blue, a color that I love a lot. Also, what else? I put the rear mirrors in black to create contrast in the car because of the white and the black. What do you guys think? Do you like it or no? Sorry about that, the car is a little bit dirty, but in a few moments we are going to go to clean it up. Also, I put this sleeve over there in black also to match the color, and also I changed the badge here, the 218 number. As you can see, I changed it. It was in platinum, but now is in black. Okay guys, we finish this little tour, and right now we're heading to clean it up the car. Let's move on, let's continue with this vlog. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. This is my first vlog ever in this channel, especially in English. It's a little bit difficult, but I hope I can improve that for future videos. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one. Ciao ciao.